Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: Using PyQt5 with QSS for styling GUI applications. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll explore an alternative to wxPython for creating graphical user interfaces, GUIs, that support CSS-style styling. We'll use PyQt5, a popular Python library for creating desktop applications, and QSS, Qt-style sheets, to apply styles and themes to our GUI components. QSS is similar to CSS and allows you to control the appearance of PyQt5 widgets. Prerequisites. Let's get started with an example. Example: creating a simple PyQt5 GUI with QSS styling. In this example, we create a simple PyQt5 application with a single button. We'll style the button using a QSS file named style.qss. Here's how you can create the style.qss file. Explanation. To run the example, save it in a Python file, example pyqt5_qss_example.py, create the style.qss file with the specified styles, and execute the Python script. You should see a PyQt5 window with a styled button that changes its appearance on hover and click. Conclusion. PyQt5, along with QSS, provides a powerful alternative to wxPython for creating stylish GUI applications. You can further customize the styles and apply them to various widgets to create visually appealing desktop applications. Explore the PyQt5 documentation and QSS documentation for more styling options and advanced features. ChatGPT.